Ka Skolba Northeastern Hill University haka khat khandai trik unaitung 8,000 arhulai. Kalau ong bagi college Meghalaya, ki bahab apo ka Northeastern Hill University bagi deban pyntreikam no ya ka National Education Policy NEP 8,000 arpo. Bal arakim pyntreikam nagabenta ki kos undergraduate ki kena Kyntu jingmentoy. Vice Chancellor ke Skolba Northeastern Hill University Professor PS Shukla ulong ba ke Skolba kalong ya baro ki college ki bapeniaso bat ke NEHU bagi deban pyntreikam no mardor ya ki NEP 8,000 arpo. Bat deban le ekania nado ka snem pule ke bomenta ke senang ha ubnai nailar. Ki hek Skolba NEHU kilong babon na ki Central University Hakari kila pyntreikam ya ki NEP na kebentaki college ki bapeniaso bat ki. Balada ki kena pulih Meghalaya ki buat ya kerukam kabarim kin seduk nong ha ki babon kiliang. Ulong bagi college Meghalaya ki bahap hapo jong NEHU kilawat jingerap bat ban kumno ban le ha ka bede ban penkela ya ke pulih putih ha ka bede bat ka jing betha ka bede kat kum ke NEP. Professor PS Shukla ulong bakin don ki jing ha ba pyntreikam ya kene ka polisi ke betemai. Henry ki bor peniat college ki dei ban ya keren ba NEHU bat ban penpau ki jing joki kenang ban lak ban weng ya kini ki jing
which is also endorsed by the Executive Council of the University, and we'll be starting the 4-year undergraduate program as envisaged by the NEP 2020 regulations with effect from the coming academic sessions. A proper communication has been made to the principals of the affiliated colleges of the university as well, to all the concerned stakeholders with the NEHU, along with NEHU. And we have been rigorously working on the new education policy. We have set up a committee on the implementation of new education policy, chaired by Professor Sherwin M. Sumo, who is also now the chairperson of the State Education Committee, to implement this new State Education Committee. Her team, Professor Sumo, along with her team, has done a rigorous job in framing the new education syllabus for the undergraduate courses, and which has been, as I've already mentioned, has been passed by the Academic Council and duly endorsed by the Executive Council. I have with me here the letter which we sent to all the principals of the affiliated colleges.
We already have implemented new education policy for the PG student and the academic session of 2022-23. For UG student, we had already circulated letter to all the affiliated colleges of the NEHU to implement new education policy from coming academic session, which is going to start from the 1st August 2023. So with this way, even I will be in position to bridge up the gap between the society and the NEHU, and also with this way I can say the student of the Meghalaya will be benefited, and they have the opportunity to work with the industry, different kind of industry in the country. We already had signed more than 5 companies to develop a academia and industry relationship, and we have more than 6,000. I'm saying more than 6,000 positions for the young generation of the Meghalaya. Some for the even common graduate student, some for specific area graduate, either the tourism or the chemistry or the BTech and others, and some for the MBA student. We are just going to provide a platform and going to conduct the interview in the first week of the